Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stanley with you. Hope you're all having a great day today. Well, I just received brand new tires for the 520D. So let's have a look. And here are the tires from Amazon. These are Bridgestone tires. Let's unpack them. So this is how the tire looks like. Awesome tread pattern. It's very slim profile. Awesome looking tires. So this is actually a Bridgestone Turanza. These are tubeless tires with size 245/45 R18s and they cost 15,400 rupees each from Amazon. These tires are also way cheaper than both Michelin's and Pirelli's, which cost 20,000 and above. These are premium touring summer tires and it's pretty decent. It's value for money and it's a perfect balance of performance, handling and life. It's a made in Japan tire. So the manufacturing date of this tire is mentioned here. This is 4319. 43 means it is the 43rd week of 2019, so that comes around October of 2019. So both the tires are manufactured on this date, that is 43rd week of 2019. So it's almost a 1-year-old tire, but the tire looks really awesome. It's definitely not as good as Michelin. Both these tires are tubeless tires, and in the premium touring summer tires category, it's a pretty decent set of tires. It has good performance and handling in wet, as well as it has good life and comfort. So these are actually pretty good tires. It's way better than the tires that are currently on the car. That is, right now we have the Pirelli P Zeros, and those are max performance summer tires. The Pirelli P Zeros are actually very good tires, but its life is really poor. It gets damaged very easily on our pothole roads. So that's a big shortcoming of the Pirelli P Zeros. Since it is a much softer compound tire, these tires are slightly harder, I think, because they are touring tires, so they have to be harder. So this is how skinny the tire looks. It's pathetic. It's from a brand called Maxxis. It's a very tiny wheel. It's a tubeless tire, spare wheel. It can do a max speed of 80 kilometers an hour. This is the rear tire of the BMW. As you can see, there's a bulge here also. There's a huge bulge here. Okay, this tire seems fine. There is no issues with this tire. Again, the front has issues here. There's a huge bulge here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a huge bulge in this front tire here. This is on the left side. The same bulge is there on the right side, and that tire burst, and that is why we need to okay, there's a bulge here also, I think. There's a bulge here. Okay, right now I think you can see the bulge clearly. There's a bulge here, and there's a bulge down there as well. So this is how the Bridgestone Turanza looks with relation to the Pirelli P Zeros. The Bridgestone don't look bad. The Turanzas actually look pretty good. It looks actually much better than the Pirellis. Wow, this tire does look good. The Bridgestones do look better than the Pirellis. They are, as I said before, these are premium summer touring tires. The Pirellis are summer performance tires. So this is what happened to the previous tire, the previous front tire. There was a bubble here and then it bursts. So if you want to see the inside of the tire, this is how it looks. So this is how a tubeless tire looks. Now let's head out to the tire shop to fix the new tires. Now by seeing those old Pirelli tires, you guys would have noticed that those tires had still more than 70% life left in them, but due to the bulges they are pretty much useless and can burst anytime now. So that's the problem with Pirellis. They're just not suitable for our roads. They get ruined easily with still a major portion of their life left. It's a big downside of Pirelli tires. On the other hand, the best tires in the market right now are Michelin Pilot Sport and Michelin Primacy 3. But unfortunately these tires are not easily available. Also currently when I was planning to purchase the tires this time, Michelin was not in stock anywhere with any of the Michelin dealers, and the next stock will arrive only I think around mid-March of 2021. So that's another drawback with Michelin's. So the only other tire brand that was left was Bridgestone, which had a good combination of performance and life. So that's the reason why we purchased Bridgestone Turanza this time. So the new Bridgestones have been installed and it looks really good on the car. I'll show you a small clip of it right now. I just hope it performs well and it lasts longer than the Pirellis, and only time will tell. And if it does fail, just like the Pirellis again, then I think it would be time to shift from 18 inches to 17-inch wheels, so that would stop destroying the tires prematurely. So let's wait for that. Anyways, if you like the vlog, please do hit the like button. Also do consider subscribing if you haven't done already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.